Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're running ChromeOS on third-party devices, you might have noticed no default updates. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple trick to enable automatic updates on ChromeOS devices. Before we dive in, one quick but important note: make sure you back up all your data, because this process can wipe your files if something unexpected happens. Alright, let's get started and make your ChromeOS experience seamless. So you can find here, you can go to settings, go to updates, and now here there's an option check for updates. Let's click on it. There you can see there is no update. It's showing 125 is the latest, but we know 132 is the latest update. So how can you get the latest ChromeOS updates on a device? You'll have to update manually. First, close it. Now open your browser and search for branch PWA application. You'll find very first link. Open it. Scroll a little bit. You'll find another link. Open it. And you'll find an option install branch PWA. Click on it. Click on install. Click on allow. Now it's done. Close the browser. Now restore the PC. Select ChromeOS settings here on the NA key. Here on the NA key again, select the kernel and here on the NA key. Select enable updates and press on spacebar. Again select enable crash shadow here on the spacebar. Select PWA here on the spacebar. Click on the NA key. Again click on 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 NA key. Now click on the NA key. Now hit on the NA key and your PC will be booted. You'll have to wait for a few minutes. Now log in with the password. Now click on here. You'll find branch PWA. Click on it. Click on install latest unstable branch. Wait a few seconds to complete the installation. Now you can see branch is updated. Now when it's completed, click here to reboot your PC. You will have to wait here. Again log in with your password. Now again click on here, open branch PWA. Here you can see branch install 132. Now click on ChromeOS update. Here you can see install latest ChromeOS recovery image. Click on here. Just wait a few minutes to complete the download. Now when it's completed, click here to review your PC again. Now again, you will have to wait a few minutes here. Again log in with your password. Now you can see new ChromeOS is here. Got it? Now you can see new features or here, apps and game center. If you go to settings about ChromeOS, you can see ChromeOS 132 is here. Well, if you want to get automatic updates regularly, click on here. Select branch PWA. Click on settings. Make sure you have checked these three options. Now close it. You are done. If you find any error or any problem, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.